Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how to turn off commenting on Instagram posts. So you have an Instagram account that you use to post pictures and videos of yourself, and you've recently made a post which might be sensitive or it's a normal post but you don't want commenting on that post, and you want to disable commenting on that particular post but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to disable commenting on Instagram posts in very easy way. So the first thing you want to do in order to disable the commenting in an Instagram post is open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to disable commenting of a post for. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is go into your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're inside your profile, what you want to do is select the particular post that you want to disable commenting for. So go ahead and locate the particular post. Once you locate the particular post, open the post. Once you open the post, what you want to do is tap on the three dots above the post. Once you tap on the three dots above the post, a pop-up menu like this will open. From here, what you want to do is the last option you'll see in this menu will be labeled as turn off commenting. So to disable commenting in an Instagram post, what you want to do is tap on the turn off commenting option. Once you tap on the turn off commenting option, scroll down, then scroll up, you can see that the comment option has been removed from the post that you have removed it from. Now you don't have to worry about commenting in this particular post, and relax and enjoy using your Instagram freely. So those were the simple steps in order to disable commenting in the Instagram post. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.